good, y'all? My name is Tay. I go by Tay Cut That on Instagram. And so today, as y'all can see by the title, I'm about to do like pretty much a description of like our student barber kit at Paul Mitchell, Sacramento. So yeah, y'all just stick with me. Let's get into it. Kitmas. So what Kitmas is like pretty much it's Christmas for your kid and whatever. And you know, you get all the items or whatever. It's like it's an exciting day, you know, barber students, you get all your stuff. So first, I'm gonna start with all the brushes and stuff. So we get a lot of stuff for Cosmos too, because if you don't know, the first 8 portion, like the 8 weeks portion, is just you and cosmetologists. So you referring to as like barbers if you're a barber. And so they're all mixed between, because they talk about hair in the beginning stages of class and everything. So it's like the bare basics or whatever, and just like how to style and whatever. So it's really like a beauty school. So you get all these little like the metal hair clips and stuff. So as you can see, they damn near grab hair sometimes, so it's like a little tough. You know, you got your style brushes and stuff. Little more brushes, combs, all type of combs. Here, I can show y'all like actually. So this is pretty much all the stuff right here. It's like this little. So this sits on top of the kit, pretty much. So it's like the first thing when you open your kit is exactly what you're gonna see at the top. And so it's just a bunch of combs, brushes, all type of stuff right here, like little brush, whatever. Also, you get a razor. So what's a blade in there? I've never used this one. I just bought my own, really, to be honest. But I mean, it's alright. The only thing I don't like about this one is it's hella heavy stuff. Like you do lineups or whatever, it's hella heavy. But yeah, and then also like I just wrote my name on it, because I write my name on everything, because everybody there has the same exact stuff as you. So you have to have some way to mark it to show that it's yours, or to show the difference between everybody's tools. So the next thing I'm gonna show you is next is the blow dryer. I don't really know nothing about no blow dryers, so I don't know if this is a good one or not. It's a Paul Mitchell brand. Yeah, it comes in like a diffuser and whatever this is. I don't know. I just be messing with the dog head with this. Probably later on I'll get better at using it or something. I don't even know, to be honest. Okay, so also you get I think it's called like a Marcel curling iron or something. Yeah, I barely know how to use this thing too. We had to use it in core, which is the first 8 weeks of you know, like the training and the basics of hair, and we're doing a bunch of women's hair and stuff. So that's that. Like a little spray bottle and stuff. This is like a real cheap one. You can get like the automatic spray ones, so like this one, you can get from like Amazon or something. They hella cheap too. So if y'all wanted to upgrade or whatever, because I know when I first got mine, the sprayer wasn't working in it. Like no water was coming out. Next on my list is it's just like a little pocket, little cover pocket you put inside the kit to hold like tools, whatever you need. It's just kind of useful, but I don't even use it, to be honest. I don't even use this kit, to be honest. I just kind of built my own. This little thing, this is for like when you color hair, you put the hair on there or something, or almost like, you know how like a paint artist got the little paint on the side or something. So what you do is you put like the color in there. From my understanding, you put the color in there, and then you know, you could dab it with the brush and then pretty much paint the hair or something. Look, I don't know, that's some Cosmos stuff or something, bro. Shit. So another cool thing, I think this is good. So another cool thing you get, this is for barbers. You get a foil shaver. I mean, you get clippers and stuff too, but this is like the only thing that I would use out of there. But you get a foil shaver. It's pretty good. I use for my own kit, for my regular kit, I use like the Andes double foil shaver, and I really like that one. I didn't really have no problems. I've never tried this, but I heard it was pretty good. So that's that. You get like a little neck duster and stuff. This one's kind of like stiff, so I would use it for like not really the neck. I'd buy like a softer one for the neck or something, but maybe dust their shoes with it or something if you want to do that. What else I got? So this is just the charging port that came with the foil shaver. And then see, I haven't even used it. I haven't opened it. Some clipper guards and whatever. They're not the ones with the metal ends. You could just buy the wall ones with the metal ends. They're kind of like a higher quality. Right. And then so next I have the capes. So you get like a regular barber cape. You know, I got the little pins at the end. You clip it around them. It says Paul Mitchell. Everything says Paul Mitchell. They don't really want you to use anything else besides Paul Mitchell stuff. Here go the chemical cape right here. So the chemical cape you'll use during like hair colors, or just, it's usually for women. Like on the barber side, we don't really use this too much. As far as like the kit, let me see. So last but not least, I mean this is pretty much last, but these are the clippers we get. I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm not really rocking with them. They're not that good, to be honest. And so mine is a little dirty because all I use it for is the doll heads and stuff. I've never cut a real client with these because, like I said, I have my own. But as far as using it on the doll, it's damn near good. I just don't like that they're corded. You can see right there, they're Wall Heroes. They come in like a little set or something. It's all right, but I don't know. It gets the job done for the doll heads and stuff. And then here go the Wall Heroes, the actual clipper. Them was the trimmers. And so these is all right. One thing I have to say, like, I don't like the cord on there, and then also, I'm not gonna lie, it damn near gets hella hot on the metal. So like one of the homies was cutting somebody's hair, and it kind of like was burning his neck. So like these get hot damn near hella fast. Even if you use cool care or something, it don't help. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the clippers. But and then you got the wall shaver, like I already showed y'all. And then for the box, I'll show y'all right now. Here, give me one sec. So the actual box itself, it just comes like this. It's a black Paul Mitchell box or something. Just black. It got some rollers on the bottom with some stoppers and stuff. And then this is a big box. But to be honest, like I don't use this unless I gotta work on like a woman's haircut or something, because I try to keep my own tools, like my barber tools. I try to keep them like organized as I can in my own little case, my own kit, just so that like everything's not mixed up. Because with this being just a box, everything just floats around in there. Also, I got a Paul Mitchell like side bag too, and then got a Paul Mitchell tee and a Barber cape. But as far as like all the items you get for Kitmas, that's it. And then a tripod to hold your dolls up. I'm pretty sure like every barber school gets that. Yeah, y'all let me know below if y'all would like to see like a video explaining how school is, or what it's like at this Paul Mitchell Sacramento or something. Cause I'm gonna be honest too, and I'm gonna be honest. I promise you, I'm gonna be honest. And yeah, or just even let me know if y'all trying to see my own personal kit. Cause y'all let me know in the comments what y'all think, and that lets me know what I need to post or whatever. So yeah, thank you for watching the video. And if this was helpful, leave a like for me.